Hey everyone, it's me UshaBala. So let's get started into the video. Today's makeup look. So first of all, I'm cleaning my face with rose water. Okay, I have this Dabur Gulabri rose water. Okay, so take a cotton and clean my face with rose water. So it's see no dust on my face. Okay, now let dry into 1 minute that rose water. Okay, now I am using this Neutrogena fairness cream as a primer. Now take a little amount of that. Okay, now apply evenly face and neck. Okay, now I am applying compact powder from Maybelline Fit Me 222 in the shade. Okay, now take a compact powder and apply on face and neck with dabbing motions like so. Okay, now I am applying this kajal from ITEX. Okay, now I am applying with this kajal to wing of my eyes. Okay, watch in the video carefully. Okay, make a long wing as much as possible. It will your eyes is very bigger to visible. Okay, now I am using this mascara from Blue Heaven for my upper lashes and lower lashes also. I am using this mascara. Okay, now I am using this lip liner from Maybelline. Okay, next I am using this lip balm from Maybelline Baby Lips. This is in the shade pink color. This is only lip balm, not lipstick. So This is color in shade very light. Okay, next I am using this eyebrow pencil from Lakme for filling my eyebrows. Oh no, it's heavy eyebrows, so a little bit erase that eyebrow color so in my hands or with my cotton. Okay, next I put a pearl bindi on my brows middle. So this is my makeup look, guys. If you like this video, please give me a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye guys, keep smiling.